Hi guys, I am Pawan Bisamala. Welcome back to PB Talks, and in this video I got you guys a brand new video where I'm going to talk about upskilling for college students when you're entering as a fresher at college, or whatever age you are in, whatever state you are in your career, in your life. Are you entering college? You're a school student, you finished your graduation, whatever it is, this video is going to be helpful for you if you want to upskill in your career, in your life in general, and everything else, right? So please do watch this video right till the end, and I'll reveal all of those secrets to you guys, and I hope you guys have fun and learn something very interesting from this video. So without wasting any second, let's dive right into the video. If you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe to my channel. In my channel you'll be getting content related to marketing, related to business, college life, finance, marketing, and much more, and much more podcasts too coming soon, right? So there is a lot of things which I have to cover for you guys. So please do subscribe to my channel and do hit the like button, which will allow the algorithm to push this video to more number of people. So let's start the video. So first, when I talk about upskilling, right, many of you will think maybe learning a new skill, right? Learning how to code, learning how to, create some graphic design, edit videos, and all of that, right? Everybody is talking about all of these. Some people will say, "Arey yaar, freelancing kar lo, you learn a lot of money. Arey yaar, start an agency, you learn a lot of money. Okay, arey yaar, you try for a job, you learn a lot of money. At least you learn stable money, right? Per month you learn whatever amount it is, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, right? Everywhere you learn money. If it's freelancing, agency, job, if you have the right skill, you learn money. It doesn't matter if it's coding, video editing, graphic design, or any other skill. It doesn't matter. Whatever you're doing, if you're good at it, you don't need to be the top at it. You just need to be good at it. If you're good at it, then the money will automatically flow, right? So suppose you're a first year student entering into your college. Now I'll take three scenarios, okay? So first one for first year students, next one for just people who are in their graduation, they're pursuing their graduation, and the other one who finished their graduation entering into the market as a fresher for the job market or business or whatever it is. Okay, so as a first year student, okay, when you're entering into college, the main thing you have to do is networking. Okay, I've said this in many videos, I know you guys know this is very simple and very, you guys heard it many times. Same thing doesn't, make much of a difference, but networking is really important. Any event, please do attend events. That's for all of them, not only for first year students. But the main important thing you have to do in your first year is explore different kinds of stuff, right? Explore, do different stuff. Now if you take my own example, I have started creating short films, edited it, directed them, wrote them my own, by myself, and I have released them by myself. And I've started an agency, digital marketing agency, from 1.5 year, 2 years, and it's running. And also started a non-tech community from the past 6 to 7 months, and that is running. I'm doing an internship in marketing. I've been to US for the Babson College entrepreneurship UG2 program. Lot more, much more I've done, right? I did one of my internship was in a fintech startup as a business development intern, and there's much more to come, right? I'm just in my final year of BTech, and there is much more to come. So please do explore different domains. Please do, consider taking up different stuff. Play sports. I also play cricket. I represented my school team, and I play proper, a decent glazed ball cricket as well. So deep dive into different stuff while you're in your first year, in your college especially. Try joining whatever clubs you can join, cricket, film club, media club, a coding club. If you're interested, whatever club you're interested, just try joining. If you feel you have to give a try, join that particular club. Doesn't matter if you don't know anything about it, just try, give it a try. Okay, you'll understand how that club works. At least you'll understand the college environment, how your college works, right? When you're entering into college for the first time, these are the things you have to do, which are mandatory. You should understand how your college works, how the clubs are at your college. Okay, how are your friends, how are your peers, how is your hostel life, everything you have to deal with in your first 6 months or first 1 or 2 semesters of your college. After first year is done, then you'll understand the reality of your college life. What do you want to do? I mean, at that point some people might not understand what you exactly want to do, but still there are few people who finish their college but still don't know what to do. There are few people who know what to do before joining their college. There are few people who get to know what to do after finishing their first year. Example of myself as well, right? So whatever you do in your first year, just make sure you explore different stuff, make sure you try different stuff, okay? Make sure you deep dive into different stuff and understand how your college works, right? This is the meaning of upskilling there, right there, if you're a first year student. Upskilling for your first year student, explore different stuff. When you explore, catch hold of that one thing, deep dive into that one thing, get inside deep, okay? Go inside that particular subject. If it's coding, if coding interests you, go inside that particular subject, master that skill, right? If acting interests you, get inside that particular subject, make short films, write short films, okay? Direct short films, okay? If business interests you, start a couple of businesses, let them fail, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You don't need to show off to the society that you have started businesses, started making money, started anything, whatever it might be, any business. Doesn't matter. Just make sure you give in that right time, make sure you put in all that effort, make sure you explore, make sure you understand, and make sure you follow that particular thing. Okay, that is the meaning of upskilling in a nutshell, right? If you're a first year student. Now, if you have finished your first year student, if you're a third year, second year, or final year student, these 3 years, what you have to do is, as I said, after you understand what you have to do, where you want to go, suppose you're interested in coding, okay? I'll cover all the departments one by one. This is going to be a long video, an interesting video for everybody, right? I'm not particularly cutting it down to one particular department, one particular domain, but for everybody in general, right? So now after you decide one particular domain, one particular career path or whatever it is, suppose you have taken coding, okay? Understand what language you want to do, understand what job you want to do. If you're not interested in job, what masters you want to do, or if you're not interested in both of them, what startup you want to keep as a tech person, or whatever you want to do. Understand it. How do you want to do it? Plan the next 2 or 3 years of your college life, and not only a single plan, keep 3 plans: plan A, plan B, plan C. Plan A, if plan A works, good and well and good. If plan A doesn't work, there is plan B, okay? If plan B works, well and good. If plan B doesn't work, there is plan C. In these 3 plans, at least one of which will work for sure, right? One of which will work for sure. Keep these 3 plans. The 3 plans should align to your final goal. The path will change, but your goal remains the same, okay? Keep that in mind. The path will change, but the goal should remain the same. Keep this particular line in your mind, and then follow your second year, third year, and fourth year of your college life. Or if you're a BBA student, second year and third year of your college life, or a BCom student, doesn't matter. After first year, 2 or 3 years, whatever are left in your course, follow this simple strategy, irrespective of in your coding domain, acting. Suppose if you're in acting, okay? Suppose if you're interested in films, as many people are interested in films, right? After your first year is done, start writing a couple of short films, make a YouTube channel, make an Instagram page, okay? Post your ideas, post your reels, post you're talking about films, you're understanding about films, watch more films, watch great, amazing films. There are many amazing films without a language barrier. Keep subtitles, keep watching films. You know how I'm talking about this because I have friends who can code well. I have done decent amount of short films on my channel. I have a decent amount of idea about short films and films, so I can talk about all of these. So that's the reason I'm covering in this video. So do that, make short films, be in front of the people, showcase your work, showcase your talent, do everything you can in that 2-3 years, and then see how it goes. After your BTech is done, maybe you want to continue that as a long-term career, not just a passive one or whatever it is. After you have explored in the first year, that's when you'll clearly understand, because you are exploring that for one whole year. You'll understand how these things really work. How does that domain really work? How does that career path really cherish you to the to your lifetime goals and all of that, right? So it is really important for you to work on that step and build up step by step to that particular final goal, right? As I said, plan A, plan B, plan C applies for all the career paths you're going in, not only coding. So plan A, again, plan A, plan B, plan C. Plan A, as I said, the path should be different, but the final goal should be the same. Okay, as I said, suppose acting, suppose you want to become a director, suppose, okay, director, actor, whatever. Suppose let's say director, okay? Suppose you're becoming a director. Director is your final goal, becoming a director. There are 3 ways, 3 plans, suppose, on how can you become a director. 1, learn, go to a film school for your masters, learn there, and then join as an assistant director and then become a director at some point of time. That's one path. Second path, make YouTube videos. Okay, try your hands and legs, whatever you can do, try your best, give your everything, make videos, learn, fail, whatever. After a particular amount of time, you get decent amount of views, whatever happens, and then start making big films and then become a director. Third path, maybe you can create Instagram reels, learn about, make a meme page, maybe talk about films, make a film page, talk about films, so that you build a decent amount of audience, and then create films on YouTube, and then you can become a director at the end. So the path is different, but the final destination is the same, right? So so keep this plan A, plan B, plan C in any career, whatever you do. Now the third one, business. Okay, as I said, I'll cover almost everything, whatever I can. Okay, business. Suppose you're interested in business after your first year. Okay, suppose you want to do a business. Now what are plan A, plan B, plan C for business? Okay, plan A, start a business while you're in college. Okay, understand everything, network really well. Okay, understand how a business works, finances, marketing, all the other things, in a business, how they work, tech and everything. Build a website yourself, start pitching to clients, get clients, learn about money management in a business, create a bank account for your business, everything. Learn by yourself. That's plan A. Maybe that's plan A for you. Plan B, how can you do? No, don't do a business in your college. This might be the plan B for you. Okay, final goal is starting a business and expanding it. That might be the final goal. 2, okay, final business, expanding it, earning 100 crores or whatever amount you have in your life. Okay, plan B, how can plan B? No, don't start a business in college. Finish off your BTech, whatever you're doing, pursue an MBA abroad, India, wherever it is, then understand, work in a MNC or whatever for a couple of years, and then start your business. This might be the plan for majority of the people in India or wherever it is. This is one of the plan. Plan C, BTech drop kar do, directly start kar do business. This is what people are doing. It's not wrong. I mean, it's their particular decision at the end of the day. If you get successful, all your struggles, you just look back and then you'll understand how and where were you, when you were starting out. So all of these plans will work. Any one of them might work. If plan A doesn't work, plan B doesn't work, plan C. Very simple. Okay, now coming on to the final person who finished their graduation. Okay, जिनका graduation हो गया, whatever they want to do, upskill. How do you upskill? Okay, in whatever domain you are, it's a very simple thing. Okay, whoever finished graduation, they'll be elder to me, maybe 1 or 2 years elder to me, whoever are watching this video, if you have finished your graduation. Okay, the only thing I'll say to them is, I mean, they know and experienced life more than I have. Okay, the very simple thing I'll tell them is, remember what you want to become. As I said, plan A, plan B, plan C are really important. 3 different plans. Now if you're doing a job, okay, you finished your graduation, if you're doing a job, do you want to continue on that job till the end of your life? Okay, there are many people who start their job at 21, 22, do that till 60, retire. They do that. Many people do that. Okay, some people, they start their job at 23 after completing their masters, do their finish at 60, retire. Some people do their job for a couple of years, 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, whatever, start a business, do that for the rest of their life. There are different people having different mindsets. Some people switch their careers from a coding thing to a YouTuber. There are many YouTubers who left their job, 50 lakh, 60 lakh, 1 crore package jobs, and continued their YouTube career, started their agency, started their business, courses, whatever. It's not wrong. I mean, at the end of the day, they're successful, making money, doesn't matter, right? So what do you want to do? That matters more. Okay, now suppose I want to pursue an MBA. Okay, suppose I want to pursue an MBA. Okay, I'm doing my MBA. Okay, after my MBA is done, maybe I'll do a job for 5 years. Okay, after 5 years are done, maybe I'll start a business. Okay, if that doesn't work, maybe I won't even pursue an MBA. Okay, if I won't even pursue an MBA, what I have to do after BTech? Maybe do a job for 5 years and then parallelly continue my business, do content creation. So these plan A, plan B and plan C should be ready even for me, not only for you guys. So even at whatever stage you are in, okay, if you're a first year student, want to upskill, if you're a second year student, third year student, want to upskill, if you're a final year student, want to upskill, then what do you have to do? Just follow these basic principles. If you don't earn 1 lakh a month, then I'll tell you, easily you'll earn 1 lakh a month. Just deep dive into that one particular thing. Make 3 different plans. If plan A doesn't work, plan B will work. If plan B doesn't work, plan C will work. It's not like all the 3 plans won't work, right? Then you will earn that 1 lakh a month, 2 lakhs a month, 3 lakhs a month, 1 crore a month, or whatever that dream figure you might have. You will earn that particular money if you follow, make a plan, stick to that plan, follow that. You might change your career, shift your career, but when you're shifting your career, make sure you make again 3 plans. If that career doesn't work, okay, this one. Okay, if this part doesn't work, okay, this one. If this plan doesn't work, okay, this one. So that should be your end goal. So if everything is gone by in this way, then you'll achieve financial freedom, then you'll earn that money. Okay, it's not a quick money game, it's a long term game. Okay, where you have to struggle, hardships, you'll be broke, you won't have money, loans, debt, whatever it is. At the end of the day, if you follow these basic simple stuff at whatever age you are in, you'll earn that success, you'll earn that money. Upskilling for me is the definition of not learning too many skills or not learning one skill, go in that particular direction and stick to that one particular career path. Upskilling is basically in whatever career domain you are, whether you're switching careers, whether you're shifting careers, whether you're joining a particular new company after your graduation, whatever it is, understand, explore, and then become the master of that particular domain. Whatever you want to do, just plan 3 different plans, follow it, done. Your life will change for sure. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys loved this video, enjoyed a lot, and I loved making this video for sure. Maybe this is one of the best video I've recorded till date. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Please do follow me on LinkedIn and do follow me on Instagram for more insights and more amazing videos coming out in the future. So thank you so much, and do consider to subscribe and do share this with your friend. Thank you so much for watching.